ever heard about our country, Myanmar. This bad day made us well known, but it was heartbroken. Everyone crying for someone dying. No matter how rich, no matter how pretty, lives were taken within a minute. Let's pray for them and for us. Never ever want bad news again. Hurt again and hurt again. Let's love each other. Let's help each other. Don't fight again and again. Save the world, save the nature, and save the creatures. We Myanmar, people shown the bad experience. We never want anyone, anywhere, those again. Heal the world, seal the bad thoughts ever. Let's try everyone, love each other's. Let's attach our hands together. Heal the world, seal the bad thoughts ever. Let's try everyone, love each other's. Let's attach our hands together.